Hey everyone, welcome. I'd say welcome back, but this is the first video of this channel. So welcome everyone to AI Newbie Hub. You can call me Don. You can call me SunsFever83. You can call me whatever you want. Just don't call me late for dinner. Uh, I this look. I'm infatuated with what I'm finding with AI. Whether it's I don't know robotics, of course, but just the more I learn about it, the more I believe that it's something we all need to either, get a concept of or, um, well, I think it's going to be important. I think it's here. It's here. So I made this channel because I'm learning it. I'm learning LLMs. I'm trying to learn the photos, learn or yeah, creating photos, images, animation, voiceovers. So and as they come out, I imagine these operators now, because they've got with this new uh Manus. There you go, Manus. The net, operator, awesome. It does a lot of shit. So I'm not doing me. I was going to do one of these faceless channels. I'm not. I want to learn this shit. So I welcome you if you're new, and if you're not new, you figured out AI. You're in the future or some shit. I don't know how you did that, but if you aren't new, tell me how my channel is doing. But otherwise, I welcome you. This is AI. What the hell is my name, man? I don't know. Fuck my name. Um, AI Newbie Hub. That's where we are. A little bit about me. I'm 54. I started on computers with a Commodore 64. I had an actual cassette deck for a drive. I had a 13-inch black and white TV when I started it. I got a job when I was a kid, so I got me my 13-inch color TV, and I ran that baby off of there. So I've been around computers since 64 through where we are now. I've always been fascinated with technology. I've always said you got to keep up with it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to look at image creation. Uh, so pretty much, of course, we all know what image creation is. You use things like Leonardo, DAL-E. There's Midjourney, which I have not used. Not AI. Google has their image FX. They have like a whole studio. They got an image, a video, and something else. And that's what we're going. That's what we're going to look at. But today we're actually going to go into Leonardo. It's free. You get credits. You get 150 credits a day. Every 24 hours, you get 150 credits. So you generate, I think you use for every two pictures 24 or something. So you don't get a bunch of pictures, but it's something. It's free. It's creates some pretty good images. I used another one called Focus. But that's something else we'll get into, because that's a little bit of process where you got to actually download and get to a certain server. That's a little more. But anyway, we're going to go to Leonardo. We're going to come up with something off the top of our head. We'll look around it, and then we'll go from there. And if you want to go on this journey, please feel free to subscribe. Hit a like button if you think it's any good. If you don't. If you hit a don't like button. I don't care. That gives me it counts the same. So anybody who wants to download me, go right ahead. It counts the same. From my understanding, it's called engagement. And write as much as you want in the comments, because again, it's called engagement. So we're gonna learn how to play this game. We're gonna switch scenes here, and here's where we're gonna start. We're in ChatGPT. I use that too. That's what I say. I've used ChatGPT. I've used I like Grok. It does a lot of good things. Claude right now, if you don't pay for it, it's it's limited. Chat GPT I do pay for, ain't gonna lie, $20 I pay. Uh, uh, and we'll dive into that a little more. It's just not so much today, but I will we may come back and put a prompt in here and have it redo a prompt for us. Uh, because I love GPT. This shit is wild, guys. I knew one day it was going to come up to this, and bam, we're here, and this shit's moving quick. So anyway, here we go. We going into Leonardo. I think I spelled it right. .ai. Now, it'll say launch app. I don't remember if I had to install it, but I don't think so. What it's doing is going to go to the application. I signed out so we could do this from the start. So I'm going to sign in with Google. Okay. And boom. Okay, I ain't worried about motion now. Okay, here we go. These are AI tools. You can say I'm on a free plan, my plan free. I get 150 tokens a day, and we're going to use some of those now because why not? These are different things that people have made in Leonardo. For example, look at this. Okay, right there is the prompt. That is, somebody made this prompt here. A woman walks confidently towards the camera, her posture strong and determined. As she moves forward, a mystical energy aura begins to surround her, pulsating with golden and blush tones. And it describes the picture, the fusion between, and she transforms into a powerful bear, and it looks like it's all mixed. So, uh, it's pretty cool when you do it, and we're going in here in a minute, and we're going to do it. My library, I asked it to make a high resolution, ultra detail shot of a epic jungle basketball championship. So it sucked. It really, that one did not work out. It had something to do with the ultra realistic. I think if I would have done a cartoon, it would have been a lot better. There is a high resolution car, futuristic car. Uh, it just, I want to see how humans, it's just a woman uh, um, in the water in bikini. Uh, those are more cartoonish, and those are more real. So, and I don't know what happened down here. I didn't create those. So, not that I know of. So, anyway, here's what we're going to do. On the screen, you got, no, one way over there. Okay, on the screen here, you got image creation, motion, real time, Canva. I haven't used motion on this yet. We may get into it, we may not. But we're going to go into image creation. You got models that you can use. Phoenix 1, Flux, Anime Cinematic, Perfect Portrait, Lifelike, Leonardo, graphic design, concept art, whatever. So we're going to leave it on Phoenix 1. That's a new one. And what do you, if you pay, you can use quality and all. So right now we're going to do fast. Size, I want 16 by 9 just because. Number of images. You can do 1 through 4, and it'll tell us in a minute how much that would cost. So add to collection. So we're going to go up here, and I don't need models or presets anymore. Okay, we're going to make a purple and orange dragon flying over a lake. Flying over a lake. A mid evil. Okay, look, guys, I can really spell, but here we go. Medieval. A medieval castle in the distance. Let's see. I want it. Let's see. Let's do the style. Create it in the style of Pixar. A clear, sunny day. Okay, so 4 pictures, it's going to cost me 24. And you see my prompt here. And we're going to take this prompt in a minute, and we're going to fix it up if this don't do anything. Let me get off your screen here. Where we at? Right there. There we go. So, it's a purple and orange dragon flying over a lake, medieval castle in the distance. Created in the style of Pixar, clear sunny day. And we're going to see what it does here. And it don't really take long, but it'll tell you. It tells you how long it's taken. And you can enhance it with all this. I don't use that so much. And as it'll load it. Right now we're at 24 seconds. There we go. There we go. Modify the prompt. Average for destructing. Add a cat, add a red hat. Okay. Okay. So, here's what we got. It's a purple and orange dragon. It's over a lake. It's fairly clear day. But there's a castle. In the distance. Medieval castle. I like that one. I don't like his eyes, but that's pretty cool. I like what he's doing with his tail there. He's got the elements in there. And that's a little doofy looking. I don't like that one. I like the second one. So that one right there, really cool. Really cool. So, just a second, guys. There we go. All right. I like that one. Okay. Now we're going to take this prompt. I don't need this open anymore. You go ahead, bear with me, guys. This I'm used to live streaming, or not used to it, but that's what I've done. So we're going to take this prompt, okay? And this is what I say. Didn't say it, but everything works together. So you can copy this. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I'm going to tell it. I'm going to say, create a prompt for Leonardo to get the best image from these directions. And then I'm going to paste that in there. Right there. Okay, I pasted a purple and orange dragon flying over a lake, a medieval castle in distance in a Pixar. So now it's going to take this, okay? And it's writing out the prompt. So now, do you want it? Make sure it has it. There's my castle, Pixar. Okay, so it looks like it's there. So we're going to copy this. That's all I'm going to do. I wrote it initially. I didn't write this one. So let's see what this does. We're going to paste that. Now I got a bigger prompt. And it still costs only 24. It tells me I got 126 to go. So I could do this. Yeah, I think it reduces with the amount of images you have also. So you can do it about 6 times, so 24 pictures a day. If you want more, pay for it. I mean, don't be cheap. What are we talking here? Don't be cheap. If you want more, otherwise be happy with 24 pictures, guys. Now, the detail difference. Okay, this looks happier, which it looks like they did that. So I'm going to say that my prompt was as good as what they told me. So my prompt would have got it got the same thing. It had a little meaner dragon there and there. I didn't like the eyes there, but this was a little meaner. One, I don't think mine. It picked up the Pixar as well as it did here. So I give it an A. That's Leonardo. Now you want something else? All you do is clear it and say, let's see, I don't know what we want. A futuristic city, sitting on the side of a mountain overlooking a dystopian landscape. Uh, make it realistic. Realistic, dark and gloomy. Yeah, that's what we need today. But anyway, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. We made a fun, we made a dark, and we can do a dark and gloomy one. I just want to see what this will do here. So again, it's counting. You can see the counting. We're at 10 seconds, 11 seconds. Take about 30 seconds. I have a video. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to have a lot of editing. I'm going, it is what it is. I'm used to just a live stream. So this is going to be me. And if you want to join me, you learning how to operate this. Because by the time the robots take over, I want to be on their side. Because the humans aren't smart enough to figure it out. So I want to be on the right side of, the civilization change. And I got some implants put in my, dental implants, but still metal, put in my face, in my teeth. And that makes me half cyborg. So I'm going to be on the right side. So like I say, everybody don't believe me, go suck it. So here we go. It's on the mountain. It is. It's a futuristic city. It's in decay. It's in a dystopian landscape. It's just fire and ash. Look at that. That is awesome. That is really awesome. So look at that. Look at that. This is what I'm saying. You make anything, guys. This thing is all. Now we're going to do this one more time. Okay, we're going to copy. We're going to come over here. Do the same thing for this. There we go. Highly detailed futuristic architecture, dark and gloomy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Then we're going to see what it came up with. Because and you can jump, you can use a bunch of the LLMs. I just, I prefer this one right now. Like I said, I tried Grok. It gives you a lot of good things. I'm going to eventually try to write a book, and I understand I probably need Claude for that. So, if you guys like this, if you like my video, go ahead, hit a like. Like I said, do something. The more you guys call me names, I don't care. Or you're old and stupid. Okay, we're good. Now they made this more. Oh, I like that one. I mean, they built that right and all. Look at that. It's looking down at another city. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to say my simple prompt I thought was better than their detailed one. Now, and if you look at what I told it, it actually made this. So that's Leonardo, guys. That is Leonardo.Ai in its basics. I use that. ChatGPT, I use a lot of shit. We're going to go over all this. I'm really excited to be doing this. So, you can also, like I say, you can do, I don't know what my original was. You can change little words. You can change things like, make it on, edit prompt. Okay, so you can change it. It's like here, make it, make it a bright day so you can really see the rooms. and it's going to cost another 24. Now that's what I'm saying. So if I went down to 2, well, it still says 24. So I don't know. Either way, it's going to cost 24. We're going to spend that, and then it'll be. I could do it one more time, but we added added something to it. So it's going to take our picture down here, and it's going to change it to. It's supposed to be a sunny day, and where you can really see the rooms. So it's grim, guys. I know it's because they're the cool pictures. Come on, you tell me they ain't cool. Tell me they ain't cool. Really? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. So anyway, here we go. Where are we at? Oh, look at this. So now they brighten it up. Look at that. See the sun? It's just beating down on them as the rooms, those skyscrapers, just sitting in there mocking us. Just mocking us. Look at that. You can see that. You tell that's the elite, guys. You know, we're down there. We're down here. Like, oh, you guys get scrapped. Yeah, well, shit going to change. But anyway, little things like that. You can change it. You can say, hey, make it on Mars. Make it a colony on Mars. Let's do that. I got one more go in it. So we're going to make it a colony on Mars. Make it a colony on Mars. Bam. Yeah, I know. Maybe later. And so see, this is about where we're going in the video, guys. It ain't going to be real long. It'll be, I don't know how long it's been, 22 minutes. Longer than I expected. But anyway, we're going to watch this load. And I mean, this is where we're at, guys. This is where we're at. You don't have to be an artist to do this shit. I'm not an artist. I can't draw. I'm not real creative. But look at this. Now it's on Mars. It sort of changed the whole thing of what it's supposed to be. But I guess it's on Mars, so you can't do the same thing. Everybody got to live together. You can only have so much decay, but it looks pretty cool to me. So with that, I mean, that's AI generation, guys. That's where we're going to start. I don't know what my next video is going to be. Bear with me, I might be able to tell you. Hey, we're going to be doing a talking avatar. Oh, that shit's pretty cool. That we're going to create something in probably Leonardo. We're going to create something, and then we're going to turn it into a talking avatar, and that is really cool. So until next time, if you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to be trying to do at least 2 longer videos and like maybe a few shorts throughout the week, or throughout the week. And so with that, I do appreciate it. Take care, and we will talk to you all later.